Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can view your Amazon order history on Amazon. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to amazon.com and log in into your Amazon account, because in order to see your history you need to log in into your account. Now once you do that, at the top right corner of your screen you can see where it says your username and it says account and list. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you over here. Now once you're over here on this page, you can see where it says your orders, alright? Track, return or buy things. All of your history of Amazon is gonna be over here. So click on it. And over here, everything which you have ordered on the past 3 months is going to be shown. But since I haven't ordered anything, it's empty. But if you have ordered something, it's going to be shown over here. You can also change it to like 2022 to see what you have ordered within 2022. Or you can just see in the past 3 months. You can switch the time labels over here. But I haven't ordered anything, that's why it's empty. And there's different sections. This is order, you can go on buy, not shipped, digital order, local store order, cancelled order. You can see all of these, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your order history on Amazon. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys on my new video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.